English became a global language because history pushed it across many parts of the world, and people began to use it more and more in daily communication everywhere. A long time ago, English was only spoken on a small island, but it started to travel when explorers and traders moved across oceans to meet new cultures and nations. During the 1600s and 1700s, British ships reached Africa, Asia, and the Americas. They brought their language with them, and English slowly became common in many important places. As Britain built colonies, English was used in schools, markets, and government offices. People learned it to work, study, and communicate with officials and travelers. In some regions, English mixed with local languages. This created new ways of speaking, and it helped English grow even stronger as a shared tool for communication. When the Industrial Revolution began, Britain became a powerful economic force. English spread through science, technology, and international business activities. Later, the United States grew into a major world power. American films, music, and books became popular, and English reached millions of people through culture and entertainment. American companies expanded across the world. They used English for meetings, contracts, and training, so workers everywhere needed the language to join global markets. After World War II, English became the main language for diplomacy. Many international organizations chose English because it was widely understood by their members. The United Nations, for example, uses English as one of its key languages. This helped English become even more important in global communication. In science, English became the standard language for research. Scientists publish studies in English so people from different countries can read and share ideas. Universities around the world offer programs in English. Students choose these programs to access better opportunities and connect with international communities. The rise of the Internet made English even more dominant. Many websites, tools, and platforms were created in English during the early years of the web. Because of this, people learned English to use technology, send emails, and read online content. The Internet helped English grow faster than ever before. Social media also played a big role. People from different places use English to chat, share posts, and understand global trends happening every day. Movies and television shows from the United States became extremely popular. Viewers learned English, expressions, accents, and culture through entertainment and stories. Music helped too. Many famous artists sing in English, and fans around the world learn the lyrics to enjoy the songs and understand their favorite performers. English is now the main language for travel. Airports, hotels, and tourist centers use English signs, so visitors can move easily and feel comfortable in new places. Pilots and air traffic controllers use English to communicate safely. This rule helps flights operate smoothly and reduces confusion between international crews. In business, English is often the common language between partners from different countries. It helps them negotiate, plan, and build strong working relationships. Many companies require employees to speak English. This helps teams collaborate across borders and share information quickly without translation delays or confusion. Technology companies especially use English. Programmers, designers, and engineers often work together from different countries, and they need one shared language. English vocabulary is flexible and easy to adapt. It borrows words from many cultures, which makes it simple to express new ideas in science and technology. Because English is so widespread, learning it opens many doors. People can study abroad, find better jobs, and connect with others from around the world. English is also used in global news. Many international channels broadcast in English, helping people follow world events and understand important stories. Sports events like the Olympics use English for announcements. Athletes and fans from different countries rely on English to share information quickly. English is now taught in schools almost everywhere. Children learn it early so they can use it later for travel, work, or online communication with new friends. Teachers often choose English because many learning resources are available. Books, videos, and apps help students practice and improve their skills easily. Some countries use English as a second official language. This helps people from different regions communicate and work together more effectively. In multicultural cities, English often becomes the bridge language. People use it to shop, study, and make friends from different backgrounds and cultures. English grammar is simpler than many other languages. It has few verb forms and easy sentence structures, which helps learners progress with confidence. Even when people speak English with different accents, they can still understand each other. This flexibility makes English useful for international communication. English continues to grow because it is practical. People choose it not because it is perfect, but because it helps them connect with the modern global world. Today, English is used in space missions, scientific conferences, and international competitions. It is the language people choose when they need clear cooperation. English is also the language of global companies like airlines, tech firms, and research groups. They use it to share knowledge and coordinate large projects. Many online courses are taught in English. Learners can study business, art, or science from anywhere, using English to reach teachers across the world. Because English is everywhere, people often hear it daily in music, movies, or advertisements. This constant exposure helps them learn naturally and comfortably. English is not replacing other languages, but it is becoming a shared tool. People keep their own languages while using English to connect internationally. The rise of English shows how history, culture, and technology shape communication. English grew because people needed a common language for a changing world. Today, English continues to be the dominant global language. It helps people learn, travel, and work together, making the world feel smaller and closer.